Today we're making chuck eye steak, fried potatoes, sauteed carrots, and lemon cake. So let's get started. I'll start by tenderizing these steaks and then set them aside to come to room temperature, probably about 30 minutes. I'm frying some potatoes that I've added onion, salt, and pepper to. I'm adding Adolph's tenderizer unseasoned to both sides of these steaks, and then I'll add the Grill Mates roasted garlic and herb. If you're not familiar with the chuck eye steak, it's actually just a cheaper version of the ribeye steak, and it is very tender and juicy. After I clean and peel these carrots, I'm going to saute them whole in just a little bit of oil. I like to cook these long enough just to be tender but still have a firmness to them, and I don't add any spices, no salt or pepper. And that's just how I prefer them. You make them how you like them. All right, let's go ahead and get started on the lemon filling for the cake. And you'll need 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 3 eggs, and 1/2 cup of butter. In a cold saucepan, begin by adding sugar and the lemon zest together, and then add all of the other ingredients. After you have that combined, you can go ahead and turn your heat on low and keep it on low because you do not want your eggs to scramble. So just keep stirring that constantly until it becomes thick and creamy. Keep in mind this mixture will thicken more as it cools. So just keep stirring it constantly, and this will take a few minutes. Have a bowl and a small strainer ready just to pour this mixture into after you've finished cooking it. And that's just to get rid of any lumps. After this has finished cooking, and I'm straining it, and then I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator to cool even more and thicken while I prepare the cake. Okay, now I have a vanilla flavored boxed cake mix that I'm going to prepare according to the box directions, and I'll bake that according to the directions as far as the pan size that I'm using. If you like, you can go ahead and add some of your lemon zest to the cake batter. It just adds a little extra lemon flavor. After the cake is done and cooled completely, just poke some holes all over the cake and begin pouring the lemon filling all over the cake, and it will seep down into the holes. And this is just such a moist and just melts in your mouth cake. If you like lemon, you'll love this. You can use a spatula to spread this filling more evenly over the cake. And then that's all there is to it. It's ready to cut and enjoy.